What is the fastest way to host your own website without paying monthly fees? A vanilla Ubuntu server. In this video, we are installing WordPress on the latest Ubuntu 26.04, codenamed Resolute Raccoon. We are skipping the bloated control panels. We are doing this the right way, using the LAMP stack. That is Apache for the web server, MySQL for the database, and PHP 8.5 for performance. We'll be installing on a Kamatera VPS myself. By the end of this, you will have a production-ready WordPress site running on your own domain. Let's get into it. WordPress powers more than 40% of all websites on the internet, making it the most popular content management system in the world. Whether you're building a personal blog, business website, portfolio, or online store, WordPress is one of the easiest and most flexible platforms available. First, let us log in via SSH and update the package list to make sure we have the latest versions. Seems the system is already up to date. WordPress requires a web server to serve website content to visitors. So let us start by installing the Apache web server since we will use the LAMP stack. Once the installation is complete, start and enable Apache. To verify Apache is running, run this command. You should see an active and running status. You can also open your server's IP address in a web browser. If you see the Apache default page, everything is working correctly. WordPress stores all website content, settings, users, and posts inside a database. Let us now install the MariaDB database. Next, start and enable the service. If you will use the WordPress in production, secure the database installation. Run the mysql_secure_installation command. Follow the prompts and choose appropriate security settings. This step removes insecure defaults and helps protect your database server. As you can see from the status command, the database is running just fine. To exit the status, just press the letter Q. WordPress is built using PHP, so we need to install PHP along with several extensions. Verify the installed PHP version by running this command. Now let's log into MariaDB and create a dedicated database for WordPress. Next, create a new database user and assign a strong password to the user. Grant the user permissions on the database by running this command. Apply the changes by running the flush command and then exit. With the LAMP stack now installed and the database configured, we can now download and install WordPress. Unzip is not installed. Let us install Unzip first. run this command to remove the downloaded zipped file. Now assign the correct permissions to the files and directories. This ensures that your WordPress installation runs smoothly. Navigate to the web directory and then rename the sample configuration file. Then open the file in your editor and modify the database settings. Locate the database settings section and update it with your database information that you created earlier. Save the file and exit the editor. Just press Ctrl, then X, then type Y and press Enter. Next, create an Apache virtual host configuration file for your WordPress site by running the following command. This configuration tells Apache how to serve your WordPress website and is an important step in completing the WordPress installation on Ubuntu 26.04. Paste this configuration block. I will link this in the description, plus all the other commands used in this video. Replace server name with your own domain. You can purchase a domain from Namecheap. Link is in the video description if you do not have a domain. If you're using in your lab network, just use the IP of the server. Save the file and exit the editor. Now enable Apache Rewrite module. WordPress relies on URL rewriting for clean permalinks. Enable the Rewrite module by running these commands. Now verify the Apache configuration syntax by running this command. Seems there is a syntax error. Let us fix that. Let us replace this configuration with this one. Let us check the syntax again. The syntax is okay. Let us now restart the Apache service to finalize installation of WordPress. Now open your web browser and enter your server, IP address or domain name. I must have entered wrong data in the WP config file. Yeah, this is the wrong password and database name I entered. You should see the WordPress setup wizard. Select your language. Enter your site, title, username, and password. Now click Install WordPress to install WordPress. Log in using the admin credentials you just created. Congratulations! Your WordPress website is now running on Ubuntu 26.04. If you have a domain one last security step, you need HTTPS. Therefore, install certbot. From here, you can start installing themes, adding plugins, creating pages, and building your website exactly the way you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Linux and self-hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.